Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore your backup on WhatsApp. So if you want to restore your backup on WhatsApp, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your WhatsApp app. As you land on your WhatsApp app, you will land on the chats interface. So now you'll have to go to the bottom right corner, that is the settings. So tap on settings and then click on chats. After tapping on chats, what you can see here is an option that says chat backup. Tap on it and now read through it to know that backing up your chat history and media to iCloud, so that even if I lose my phone or switch to a new one, I can easily restore my chat history. So now what I have to do is, here it says auto backup. Now I'll have to just choose an option, whether to daily, weekly, monthly, or just turn it off. So I have chosen weekly at the moment. I want to stick with it, so I'm just going to go back and then see if I want to include videos or not. So I'm just going to tap on include videos and now tap on backup now. And here, as you can see, it has been preparing to back up, and now it'll start to back up depending on the data size that a person has. So here it's getting backed up, and this will take a certain period of time for every single person. So you'll have to patiently wait for everything to occur. So now after your backup is complete, what you can simply do is you can uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. So I'm going to uninstall WhatsApp. And then you have to reinstall the app. So now you can simply go to your app store and go to the search button on the bottom right corner, and then on the search bar type in WhatsApp. And now start downloading the app. As you see the app, wait for the app to get downloaded. After your app gets downloaded, tap on open. After tapping on open, tap on agree and continue. And then now start entering your details. Here I'm going to enter my phone number that I used to sign into WhatsApp, and then tap on done. Now it says here that it is retrieving my credentials. So now what I can simply do is tap on restore chat history and then wait for my chat history to be restored into my account. So here it says that it's finishing up, and then tap on next on the top right corner. Now here I can type in my name, and after doing that, tap on done on the top right corner again. Tap on OK, and here it says that my media is being restored. So here, as you can see, my chats have been restored as they were. So this is how you can restore, how you can download and restore your every single information into your backup. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our near future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.